Hey everyone, happy Monday. Hope you had a great weekend. If you're an Eagles fan, I know you did. Chicago Bears fans, I'm sorry. Someone's got to win. We'll move on. Go Eagles. Anyway, thanks for listening to another edition of What's in My Insurance Policy. Today we're going to talk about auto insurance. And in particular, we're going to talk about a policy provision that's both in the commercial and the personal auto policy. And that is uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. And it's a real simple concept, but you may have had to sign waivers, or depending on the state you're in, whether through the policy or through the umbrella. So it's very important to understand what it is. Essentially, if you get into an accident with a third party, and that third party is at fault and they don't have insurance, your insurance policy will essentially take the place of theirs and pay for your bodily injury, so make you whole. If they have the state minimum requirements or a limit that's not adequate to cover the claim, again, your policy can kick in under the underinsured provision of it, up to your policy limits. So I think it's pretty self-explanatory when someone doesn't have insurance, how it's going to react. But let's say that you get into an accident in New Jersey, and the responsible driver for the accident carries the state minimum, which is $15,000 per person, $30,000 per accident, and you sustain, medical bills of $100,000. Their policy will kick in the $15,000, and then your policy would pay the difference up to your policy limit. So, as you can see, it's an important concept to know what to have for personal auto drivers. For your personal, it's important to have an adequate limit. For businesses, it can be a little different. It's trickier, and it's a conversation you want to have with your broker, because you get into the workers' comp issues. So do you want to carry more? Do you want to carry less? There's some possible fraud issues, but know what it is. Have the conversation, especially if you're a commercial client, with your broker, and say, how much do I really need? How will my workers' comp interact with it? How will my umbrella interact with it? That way you're making the proper decision and understand the decision you're making. So thanks for listening. Again, go Eagles. We'll catch you later this week. See ya.